Hello, fellow baking enthusiasts and home chefs. Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the 5 best ovens for baking bread in 2023. In this guide, we have carefully selected and tested a range of ovens to cater to various preferences and budgets, from traditional to high-tech and everything in between. We will be delving into each oven's features, performance, and unique selling points, helping you make an informed decision when it comes to investing in your dream bread baking companion. So let's get started and discover which ovens are the perfect partners for creating those mouth-watering homemade loaves. I will leave links in the description and you can check them at the latest price. Starting our list with the Balmuda Steam Oven Toaster. If you want a bread oven that will make, well, bread, you will appreciate this unique find from Balmuda. Operating at 1300 watts, this toaster brings rapid and efficient cooking, ensuring that your food reaches perfection in no time. With a spacious 600 cubic inches, it can handle various baking needs, accommodating different sizes of bread and dishes. This toaster oven utilizes steam technology paired with heat control to effortlessly bake up all kinds of bread, from artisan to sandwich and beyond. The Balmuda toaster's versatility is another standout feature. It offers 5 distinct cooking modes, each designed to optimize the cooking process for different types of food. Whether you are in the mood for a warm, crispy sandwich, a perfectly baked artisan loaf, a delicious pizza, mouth-watering pastries, or even some general oven work, this appliance has you covered. The variety of modes makes it an indispensable tool for those with a passion for culinary exploration. This countertop bread baking oven comes with 3 temperature zones for creating the contrast necessary for certain bread types like sourdough. With this oven, you have complete control. This is a pretty small countertop oven, which could be a pro or a con depending on how you look at it. If you have a small kitchen, then you will appreciate it. Its compact design is available in different colors, allowing you to choose the one that best complements your kitchen's aesthetics. So whether you are a seasoned baker or a novice in the kitchen, the Balmuda toaster is poised to take your cooking experience to new heights. The number 2 is the KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine. The KBS Fully Stainless Steel Bread Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines practicality with innovation. With a powerful 710-watt motor, the KBS Bread Maker ensures efficient kneading and consistent results. The KBS machine features 17 automatic programs to make all kinds of bread, from sweet to sandwich, sourdough to multigrain. It operates on a standard 120 volts electrical supply. With a 2-pound capacity, anything is possible. This is the ultimate when it comes to bread making. The machine comes with 360-degree baking, a 15-hour delay timer, and a large viewing window. There is also the option for leaving your bread dough right inside before baking, making this product highly convenient. This bread maker is lightweight, weighing only 14.7 pounds, making it easy to move and store. Elevate your baking experience with the KBS Fully Stainless Steel Bread Maker, a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen. The number 3 is the Oster French Convection Countertop and Toaster Oven. The Oster Stainless Steel Digital Convection Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify your cooking and elevate your culinary experience. With a powerful 1500-watt heating element, it delivers the performance you need to cook efficiently and evenly. The Oster oven boasts a generous capacity of 24 cubic inches, providing ample room for your cooking needs. Although this oven is on the hefty side, it does not lack handiness. This oven is designed with double French doors that can be opened surprisingly with one hand. That's the convenience you are going to need while whipping up some delicious bread. Aside from an extra large interior space, you will also enjoy turbo convection baking technology that ensures fast and even baking. Inside the oven, you will find 2 racks, offering maximum cooking flexibility. This oven's control panel allows you to slow cook your food at preset temperature of 150 degrees Fahrenheit for an adjustable time of up to 6 hours, perfect for those delightful slow-cooked recipes. With its stylish stainless steel finish and practical features, it is a valuable addition to any kitchen, allowing you to explore and master a wide range of culinary delights. The number 4 is the Calphalon Stainless Steel Countertop Oven. The Calphalon Stainless Steel Countertop Oven, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to enhance your cooking experience. With a robust 1400-watt heating element, it delivers the power needed for efficient and consistent cooking results. This Calphalon oven boasts a spacious 25-liter capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. It comes with 11 different cooking functions including air fry, bake, toast, broil, roast, bagel, dehydrate, pizza, reheat, keep warm, and defrost. Not only that, but this convection oven comes equipped with quartz heat technology. This technology allows for heat to be distributed 40% more evenly, while also preheating quicker than other models on the market. With innovative turbo convection, it also promotes better air circulation. This gorgeous and sleek tabletop convection oven comes with a high-contrast LCD screen to ensure you are utilizing all of the functions properly. This product also comes with many accessories like wire racks and crumb trays for added convenience. Whether you are baking, roasting, or air frying, this oven is designed to meet your cooking needs with precision and style. The number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven. This sleek and stylish oven is constructed with precision, offering an array of features to elevate your cooking experience. With a robust 1400-watt heating element, it delivers the power needed for efficient and consistent cooking results. This Hamilton Beach oven boasts a capacity of 16 liters, making it suitable for various cooking tasks. This versatile oven offers a range of cooking options, including convection, baking, broil, and toast. With 2 rack positions and an included bake pan, it is easy to get started on cooking a variety of foods. The oven can fit 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, and a 9-inch multiply 11-inch bake pan, providing ample space for snacks, side dishes, and more. One standout feature of this oven is the roll-top door, designed for easy access to your food and countertop. The door moves up and out of the way, allowing you to safely and easily access your food before, during, and after cooking. It is not only convenient, but also helps keep your countertop clean by avoiding messy spills and drips. The Hamilton Beach Silver Countertop Oven, with its easy access, roll-top door, and precise temperature control, makes baking bread a breeze. Its versatility and spacious interior provide you with the perfect environment for creating delicious homemade bread. Overall, the best option for baking bread among these countertop ovens is the KBS Large 17-in-1 bread machine. It offers the ultimate versatility for bread enthusiasts. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific cooking goals, kitchen requirements, and of course, budget.